Yesterday, I had a full day of housekeeping. First, I started with dusting. I carefully wiped all the surfaces, including the tables, shelves, and cabinets. Then, I vacuumed the carpets and rugs, making sure to reach every corner. I also dusted off the vents and lights, ensuring they were clean and bright. Next, I moved onto the floors. I cleaned the floors in all rooms, scrubbing away any dirt. I also checked for any stains or spots that might have needed extra attention. Then, I headed to the bathroom. I cleaned the sink, mirror, and bathtub until they sparkled. I scrubbed the toilet and mopped the floors. Finally, I replaced the old towels with fresh ones. In the kitchen, I washed the dishes and pans. I wiped down the kitchen countertops, removing any crumbs or spills. I also cleaned the microwave and fridge, inside and out. I then turned my attention to the windows. I wiped the windows and window frames until they were spotless. I also dusted off the blinds or curtains, making sure they were free of dust. In the bedroom, I changed the bed sheets and fluffed the pillows. I wiped the surfaces on the bedside tables, removing any dust or clutter. Finally, I checked the common areas. I looked for dust under the furniture and in corners. I also changed the trash bags in all the bins. At the end of the day, I looked around at the clean and tidy house, feeling a sense of accomplishment. It had been a productive day, and now I could relax in a clean and comfortable environment.